Hello students, welcome to my channel. In the previous class, we have seen that the first property, that is closure property, for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. The second property, that is commutativity. Today we are saying commutativity and associativity in part 2. Then I solve the exercise. Commutativity for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers we will see. After that we will see associativity, okay, for whole numbers, integers and also for rational numbers. So now let me see how we have done the closure property for the whole numbers. Same way, first we will do operation, we will take, and then numbers, and then remarks. Okay. See, first operation, which is the first operation in the basic operations, that is addition. The first operation is addition. See, commutativity, how it comes, you know, in the previous classes. In 6th and 7th, you already studied that commutativity means, or commutative property means, even though the order of two numbers is exchanged or interchanged, the sum or the product remains same. See here, for example, 3 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 also 10, 7 plus 3 also 10. This is commutative property for addition. The same thing now we will see addition. See here, 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 0. Okay. This is what, in general, what we can write for this? A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means addition is commutative. What remark we can give here? Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. In the same way, the second operation is subtraction. Subtraction, we will take any one number. See, 7 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 7. No, because 7 minus 3 is 4. Is not equal to 3 minus 7 means minus 4. That means subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. In the same way, the next operation is multiplication. What is the third operation? That is multiplication. See here now, I will take one example. 5 into 4 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20. That means in general, how can we write? This is general form. In the same way, we will write here general form. A into B is equal to B into A. Multiplication is commutative. What remark we can give for this? Multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. In the same way, the next operation is division. See here, division. Now, 3 divided by 6 is 1 by 2. Okay. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Both are not equal. Half is never equal to 2. What remark we can give by seeing this? Division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. So this is what The commutativity we have just tested for or go through the whole numbers. Now the same thing we can do for the integers. Integers. We'll take now for integers. See, in that also again same we'll take the four operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Operation, numbers and remarks. Okay. See, the first one is, what is the first operation? That is addition. See here, integers means they may be plus or minus. Integers means they may be plus or minus. See here, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 2 plus 4. In the same way, we will take one positive, one negative. 5 minus the addition we are taking now. 5 minus plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus of 5. This also 3, this also 3. That means addition is here also addition is commutative. Even for the integers, addition is commutative. Now the same way here subtraction is not commutative even for the integers. Subtraction. In the integers you know there are positive and negative numbers will be there along with 0. So now subtraction, now same number we will take now 4 plus 6. Sorry, here 4 minus 6 if we take. Here 6 minus 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 6 minus 4 is plus 2. They are not equal. That means that subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative. Okay. Then next we will see multiplication. Multiplication of integers. Okay. Now 3 into minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 3. How? Plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. Okay. Minus into plus, minus 4 3s are 12. Yes, that is multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Okay. Next, the same way we will see for division. Division. See here, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 4 is same here also 1 by 2. So division is here 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So division is not commutative. Why? Because 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So division is not commutative. The same way we can check this, what is that, commutative for rational numbers also. Okay. Let us see. Children, if you want, you can copy this. Okay. Now we will see the commutativity for rational numbers. Okay. Operation, numbers, remarks. We will see now for the rational numbers. First addition. We will take now two rational numbers. They are minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. These are the two rational numbers. Commutativity means you know. Just we have to reverse the order of the rational numbers, two rational numbers. See, on taking the LCM and all, the sum of these two is 1 by 21. Then if we reverse it and write 5 by 7 plus of minus 2 by 3 is also 1 by 21. So this indicates that LHS equal to RHS. Okay. This, what is the remark here then? Addition is commutative. Addition is commutative for rational numbers. For rational numbers. Addition is commutative for rational numbers. The same way we will see for the subtraction. Now the second operation is subtraction. For the subtraction, we will take, see, 2 by 3 minus 5 by 4. And is not equal to 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. If you take the LCM, you subtract these two and these two, LHS is not equal to RHS. So what is the remark for here? Subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Okay. Then we will see multiplication and division also. See, next, multiplication. Take two rational numbers. They are minus 7 by 3 into 6 by 5 is equal to what? Minus 7 into 6 is minus 42 by 15. If you write it reverse, 6 by 5 into minus 7 by 3. Same minus 42 by 15 will get LHS equal to RHS. So here multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Then the next is division. Division also, minus 5 by 4 divided by 3 by 7 is not equal to 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 4. If you do this, we will get here, see, minus 5 by 4. Division means we have to write here into 3 by 7 can be written as 7 by 3. Then 3 by 7, here it is into, that is 4 minus 4 by 5. Now see, minus 35 by 12 and this is minus 12 by 35. So both are not equal. So here what we can write? Division is not commutative for rational numbers. This is what the commutativity property for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. If you want, you can copy this one. Okay students, see now the third property is associativity. What it is? Associativity we will see for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Okay, see now first we will see the addition. Associativity for addition we will see for the whole numbers. See here in the associative property, how the numbers will come? Three numbers will come. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5. Here what we have to see? Even though we arranged these three numbers in the different groups, in the different types, the sum remains same. See, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Here 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. This means that addition is associative. Addition is associative. Okay. The same way subtraction. Subtraction. See, same numbers we take. Now 3 minus 4 minus 5. How much we get? 3 here. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1. Here minus is there. Plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then here 4 minus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. This is plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here see, 4 is not equal to 6. That means that subtraction is not associative. Not associative. Then next comes multiplication. See, same way, 3 into 4 into 5. 4 5s are 23s are 60. Again, if you write the same numbers in the different groups, 4 into 3 into 5. 15 4s are 16. So, multiplication is associative. The next one is division. Division. See? 3 divided by 4 divided by 5 is not equal to 4 divided by 3 divided by 5. That means division is not associative. Not associative. This is for whole numbers. The same way just we will do for integers. Okay. See here, integers. Same here also, for that also. Operation, numbers, remarks. So, we will do the now operation, numbers and remarks we will write. This is for integers. See, addition. Addition, we will take simple numbers now. These are integers. So, 2 plus 3 or minus 3 we will take, plus 4. See what we are going to get? Here minus 3 plus 4 means plus 1. Plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Same numbers in different way we will write. Plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. That means for integers. Then subtraction. Subtraction, same number we take 2 minus 3 minus 4. See how much we will get? This is minus 7. Minus 7 here plus 7 plus 7 plus 2, 9 it is. So minus 3 minus of 2 minus 4. This is minus 2 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. 9 is not equal to minus 1. So subtraction is not associative. Not associative. Then next comes multiplication. Next comes multiplication. Same number we will take now. Again 2 into minus 3 into 4. This is minus 12. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. Again in the same way minus 3 into 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 8 3s are 24. Minus 3 is there. So it is also minus 4. So here multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. Next comes division. Division. 2 divided by minus 3 divided by 4 is not equal to minus 3 divided by 2 divided by 4. That means division is not associative. This is what? Associativity for whole numbers and integers. If you want, you can copy, children. Okay, now we will see the associativity for rational numbers. For rational numbers. Okay, now even for that also, first what we have to do? Addition. Operation is addition. Okay, then here numbers, an example we will take, and then remarks. Okay, sorry, here actually supposed to come operation, and then next remarks. The first one is addition for the rational numbers. See, first we will do associativity means 3 rational numbers will come. Minus 2 by 3 is one rational number, plus 3 by 5 is one rational number, plus minus 5 by 6 is one rational number. Okay, when you do this all, the answer you will get is minus 9 by 10. Okay, what we can see, first you have to add this, taking the LCM. Then the sum we have to add to this. The whole answer is 9 by 10. Okay, minus 9 by 10 you are going to get. Then same way we arrange these in a different way. How we will arrange? Minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 in one bracket, in one group, plus minus 5 by 6. Even if you do this also, you will get 9 by 10 only. So that is minus 9 by 10 only. This shows that addition is associative. Addition is associative. The same way, but subtraction is not associative. Subtraction. Here for the subtraction we will take minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. That is subtraction is not associative. Not associative. Then multiplication is associative. Multiplication we will take the same numbers, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. Okay, how much it will come we will see. Minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 50s are 30. Minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15, 15 6s are 5 6s are 30, 33s are 90 or 31s are 33s are. Here the answer is 1 by 3. Even if you write in the different way also, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. 6 5s are 30 by 90 only. Answer is 1 by 3. That means that multiplication is associative. Multiplication is associative. Then the same way division is not associative. Next comes that is division. Division, there we take numbers 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. See, on simplification what we will get? 1 by 2. This division we will keep as it is. First inside the bracket we will do. This is into, division converts into 2 by 5 will be 5 by 2. Then 1 by 2 divided by, this is minus 5 by 6. This is 1 by 2 into 6 by minus 5. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Answer is minus 3 by 5 we will get. Okay. The same way, if we write this one in the, see, in the another form, 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5. See, 1 by 2, this is into minus 3 by 1 whole divided by 2 by 5. This is minus 3 by 2 into 5 by 2. That is minus 15 by 4. So here see, this implies that minus 3 by 5 is not equal to minus 15 by 4. So division is not associative. Okay students, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel. This is part 2. Tomorrow again I will give you part 3 and part 4 will get the exercise. Thank you.